So this OT Summit, I think for ISA is kind of groundbreaking. ISA must lead the way, in my opinion. If you're a standard maker based on the regulatory system, then you must be ahead of everybody. And if you're not ahead, you're at least pointing everybody in the right direction.
These are the excerpts that are in there. You need, for the product, the intended purpose, essential functionalities. For vulnerability handling, you need a single point of contact. You need to know how to install security updates, how long you provide these security updates. You need an SBOM, ideally digitally. And for the risk assessment, you need security properties and the security environment, where the features are. You need measures for secure use and decommissioning, information to the integrator, and you need to know what changes to the product affect security. That's a lot.
There's quite a lot of sponsors here that are relevant to cybersecurity. I've been to other conferences yeah, there's some great sponsors there, but you know, they're all so vast and different, you know, while here, every single sponsor here is OT cybersecurity. The networking that you build here, everybody's in the cyberspace, you know, be it IT or OT. So I think it's just a great conference from that perspective, that it's just very niche into the OT cyber game. And yeah, you know, good event, good reception, you know.
Continuous education. We need that kind of engineering organisation and the cyber and IT organisations to continually work together. They truly are one team. So when we talk about IT-OT convergence, we're not talking about technology. We're talking about people, process and technology. And it's that culture that this is a risk that we need to collectively manage, because neither side of that can do it together.
People are awesome. They're warm-hearted people. They're intellectuals. They're passionate about engineering. They're people that definitely know their stuff, but they're not know-it-alls. So it's a really cool environment. The people are nice, and the events are very fun. And there's always great topics to discuss and debate together in an open environment. And I love ISA events for those reasons.
There is so much value from the perspective of the work which I do. The level of understanding of the whole topic, you know, don't have too much people around me, so I feel like really alone. I cannot discuss very deeply and broadly the problems of our cybersecurity. And here there are people who understand. And not even that they understand, they are so kind, so kind.